Look, most people want to get rich, but here's the thing. They have no idea how it actually works. They think it's luck. They think it's timing. They think some people just have it and others don't. But that's not true. Getting rich isn't random. It's not magic. It's levels. There are 7 levels of wealth, and most people get stuck at level 3 and never make it past. Once you figure out which level you're on, everything changes. Getting rich stops being this big, scary dream and becomes a process you can actually follow. So let me break down all 7 levels for you. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly where you stand and what you need to do next. Let's get into it. But real quick, if you're serious about leveling up your money, hit that subscribe button right now. I drop a new video every week on building wealth the smart way. And trust me, you'll want to catch the next one. All right, let's start at level 1.
Level 1, the survivor. This is where most people start. And honestly, a lot of people stay here way longer than they should. At level 1, your mindset is simple. I just need to make it through the month. You're living paycheck to paycheck. Every dollar that comes in goes right back out. Rent, bills, food, gas, it's all spoken for before you even get paid. There's no breathing room, no cushion. One unexpected expense, and you're scrambling. The emotion here? Stress, fear, constant pressure. And look, I'm not judging. Life is expensive. But if you want to move forward, you have to get honest about where your money is going. Here's the move at level 1. Build an emergency fund, even if it's just $500, even if it takes you 6 months. Track every single dollar you spend. Cut the stuff that's bleeding you dry. Stop pretending you don't know where your money goes. This level isn't about getting rich yet. It's about survival and then getting stable enough to breathe. Once you've got a little cushion, you're ready for level 2.
Level 2, the saver. Okay, now you're saving. Congrats, you're already ahead of most people. Your mindset shifts to, I need to hold on to what I have. You've got a few thousand in the bank, maybe more. You feel proud of it. You should. But here's the problem. You're scared to touch it. You're avoiding risk. You think saving alone is going to get you rich. It won't. Because while your money sits there, inflation is eating it alive. Every year, that cash loses value. You're standing still while everything else moves forward. This is the trap at level 2. You think you're being smart, but you're actually stalling. The move here? Learn the basics of investing. You don't need to be a genius. You just need to understand that your money has to work for you, not sleep in a savings account. Once you start putting your money to work, you hit level 3.
Level 3, the investor. This is where things get real. Your mindset now is, I want my money to grow. You've opened a brokerage account, maybe you're buying index funds, maybe some stocks, maybe you dabbled in crypto. You're learning, you're taking action, you're in the game. But here's the trap. You're also emotional. The market dips and you panic. You see someone make money fast and you chase it. You're inconsistent. Look, investing is simple, but it's not easy because it requires patience and discipline, and most people don't have that. The move at level 3? Build consistency. Automate your investments. Stop trying to time the market. Think long-term, not next week. This is the level where most people get stuck. They invest a little, freak out, pull their money, and never build real momentum. Don't be that person. Once you master this level, you're ready to become a builder.
Level 4, the builder. Now we're talking. At level 4, your mindset shifts to, I'm creating multiple income streams. You're not just investing anymore. You own assets. Maybe rental properties, maybe a side business,
maybe dividend-paying stocks that send you money every month. You've realized that one income source isn't enough. You're building. But here's the trap. You spread yourself too thin. You hustle so hard you burn out. You're making money, but you're exhausted. The move here? Systemize your income. Build processes. Hire help. Reinvest your profits. Protect your time. Because the goal isn't just to make money. It's to make money without trading every hour of your life for it. Once you've built systems that work without you, you're ready for level 5. Level 5, the strategist. At level 5, you're not just building anymore, you're optimizing. Your mindset is, I'm maximizing my wealth. You're diversified, you're thinking about taxes, you understand risk, you're focused on compounding your money year after year. You've stopped chasing shiny objects, you have a plan, and you stick to it. But here's the trap. You overcomplicate everything. You start obsessing over every percentage point. You lose the simplicity that got you here. The move at level 5, stay consistent. Don't outsmart yourself. Manage your emotions. Follow the plan. This is the level where patience pays off big time. You're not getting rich overnight. You're building wealth that lasts. And once you've done that long enough, you hit level 6.
Level 6, the freedom seeker. This is where money stops controlling you. Your mindset becomes, I have enough. Now I want control over my time. Work becomes optional. You could quit tomorrow and be fine. Time is now your most valuable currency. You've reached what most people call financial freedom. But here's the trap. Now what? A lot of people hit this level and feel empty. They spent so long chasing money that they forgot to build a life they actually enjoy. The move here? Redefine your goals. It's not about money anymore. It's about fulfillment, purpose, impact. What do you actually want to do with your time? Who do you want to help? What excites you? Answer that, and you're ready for the final level.
Level 7, the legacy maker. This is the top. Your mindset now is, wealth is meant to outlive me. You're not just rich, you're building something that lasts. You're teaching others. You're giving back. You're setting up generational wealth for your family. You feel gratitude, peace, purpose. Money is just a tool now, and you're using it to create something bigger than yourself. The move here? Give back. Share what you've learned. Help others climb the ladder. Build something that matters. Because at the end of the day, legacy is the only thing that truly lasts.
So, which level are you on right now? Be honest with yourself. Drop it in the comments. I read every single one. And here's the thing. No matter where you are, you can move up. It's not about where you start. It's about taking the next step. If you're at level 2 and you're ready to start investing, I've got a video that breaks down exactly how to make your money grow intelligently. It's simple, beginner-friendly, and it works. I'll link it right here. And if you want more videos like this, hit subscribe. I'm dropping a new one every week. Remember, getting rich isn't magic. It's a ladder, and every single step matters. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.